just couldn't find like this connection here. You'll probably have to. I don't have Oh. Oh yeah. So, we can leave. Might get all brown and shit.
Well, that's good.
Try one larger. And those are the for some things, you want the hard impact of an actual hammer. For this, the dead blow is okay. So it's either you get it under one lip, and you want to be careful not to get the aluminum edge, or else it'll just, you're not doing anything. And you try to get it up under the edge. Oh, check this out. Some interesting rating. 3.4 liter engine. The 3.4 engine.
Why has it got good flow past it?
Big straps at Little League games. That's